What's going on, guys and girls? I am on my way to Port Royal State Park. Got my beautiful wife with me today. We're going to go hike around Port Royal. Port Royal State Park is the site of one of the first towns in Tennessee after Tennessee became a state. The town stopped existing long ago, but the historic site has, or the historic park has some of the old footers, and when we get there we're going to check out the old iron bridge, some of the other neat pieces of architecture that are left, and see what interesting things we can find. This is the Visitor Center Historic 1859 General Store. Yeah. Oh, there's when you read about the tobacco war, the Black Patch Tobacco War, and it's named Black Patch after the dark-fired tobacco. A lot of Masonic stuff on both. Oh well, on both sides.
When were the Black Patch Tobacco Wars?
Black Patch Tobacco War.
Or sometime around that time. This says by 1908 it was declining, but made newspaper headlines as the only town in Tennessee attacked by night riders during a civil unrest known as the Black Patch Tobacco.
1904 to 1909. So 5 years. When Dr. Amos became higher up in the Silent Rider or Silent Brigade, that's when they, because he had graduated from a military academy, that's when they started becoming more militant. Wow. Yeah, you kind of see those four rectangular. So that would be part of a house or a building of some sort. It's real good shape for its age. Park boundary. cheese. While at the park, we decided to hike along the trail. But first, we go exploring underneath the old bridge, just for fun. Go look under the bridge. See if I find a troll. Okay, so this is newer, right? Maybe. Heading back into historic downtown now. Yeah, it's definitely, you tell it was hollowed out for, flattened it out for buildings, right?
Yeah, they built it up, terrascaped, or what do they call it today? They don't say.
I think terrascaping. And this is probably the street right here. Some kind of thoroughfare, maybe. To a historic roadbed. Oh, there's Cherokee at the top. So this is all the different routes. Oh, look where they all start.
It's like 191 miles.
Most likely.
Mm-hmm. At least from that fort.
Right.
Where they probably got it off.
Yep. That should go to the overlook. Oh, wow. It's private property, but still get a sense of the old roadbed. Oh, there's an old bridge pylon straight ahead. That looks like that might be the trail going that way for the bank route back here. So it came through Port Royal through downtown and came over here. Yeah. This coincides with the little road we were on the motorcycle on coming up. Yep. Makes sense. Another concrete one there, but that could have been from when they redid that bridge. But the center with the round with all the rocks,
yeah.
It came across and landed over here. Yeah, very neat. So we had finished our hike at Port Royal State Park. We even did a part of the historic Trail of Tears. It was very neat. Very neat seeing some. It's neat seeing some of the history and seeing where buildings used to be for the little town or village. It's nice. It's a nice little day hike.